Kapag ang isang tao hindi malinaw kung ano ang kanyang gustong mangyari sa buhay, hindi malinaw kung ano ang gusto niyang marating sa buhay, when life goals that you want to achieve, they are not clear, then your life will not be clear. Your direction will not be clear. When the life goal is not clear, the direction is not clear. Just like when you want to go somewhere, bis na bis ka. Pag tinanong, saan ka pupunta? Bahala na kung saan dalhin ng paa. Hindi. Dapat malinaw ang iyong pupuntahan. Kaya, it is better to have clear goals in life. So you might as well ask yourselves, what do I want to achieve in life? What is your life goal? And here, in the first part of the gospel, Jesus is giving us true life goal. Jesus said, do not store up for yourselves treasures on earth, where moth and decay destroys and thieves break in and steal. Store up treasures in heaven. So here, in the first part of the gospel, Jesus is giving us a clear life goal. Ano yun? Ang makarating sa langit. Ang mag-ipon ng mga kayamanan sa langit na hindi masisira, hindi mananakaw, hindi mawawala. Is heaven part of your goal in life?